G'day plant friends and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It's August now and things are progressing quite well on the kitchen window ledge. Let's take a look at what's occurring. It's winter here in Melbourne, Australia, which is a slower time of year for growth, but in this sunny position on the window ledge, life is still unfolding. I'm getting a little nervous about Shy La 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 and Tim Huddleston. Their colour certainly hasn't improved, but there are signs of roots, though they certainly aren't growing quickly. Certainly not much since our last update. But there are some promising signs as well. Fox FDL Official, for example, has got some very impressive root growth and still has the promise of a shoot, but no upward growth since last time. Not really. But I expect it'll get there soon. But then there's I Am Mrs. Jacobs 3. It's doing very good things. It's got a new, longer root, and it's got a shoot that is growing every day. Look at those leaves, they are doing marvellously. It's almost at 20 centimeters in height, and we know what that means. Next time. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short little update. If you did, I'd love to know what you thought in the comments and with that like button. Please make sure you're subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree if you'd like to see more avocado updates or other avocado related content, because that's what this channel is all about. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.